What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Today, we clean the MERC.
Oh, hi, Logan.
Hey, buddy.
Now that Logan's finally here, we can start cleaning. In other words, I'm gonna sit with gloves on, Nick's gonna record, and Logan's
Keep
gonna
or
clean.
throw away. I think it's the latch for the wood floor.
Keep.
But the bezel's fucked up.
It's fine, we can remake it.
I don't think that's This right here is what made it possible for this car to start again, I'm sure of it. I'm sure that they put that in there before they parked it. That's what we're worried about. You want to just carry this over to the dumpster? Oh yeah. Trash man, there's my shit in it.
Oh.
Sure, that's just not you.
Oh, check this out.
Big ass oil filter.
Trash.
That is not trash. That is our jack. You know how that works? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you stick it in this. Oh, that's
It goes
sick
in the hole.
as fuck.
Well, that's extra parts.
That seems safe. I don't know with it being angled like that, but oh, I guess it'll stand itself up. We've got this like over 30-year-old jack that turns super easy. Look at that.
It's all about the lube.
Look at that. Y'all didn't even have to put the jack on the fucking trailer to lift this up.
Kick it. Somebody kick it. Oh, that's solid.
Yeah, that is like.
Car in a fucking tank, bro. You expect all the weight to just.
What is that?
We got a first aid kit. Apparently those first aid kits are hard to come by too.
They're all German.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, especially with this being an imported one.
Don't touch any of that stuff like
AIDS.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh,
Go
dude.
fucking Nick.
Yeah, nothing's ever been opened out of here.
All fucking.
I don't know what. Hold on. Sterilized burn compressor. Jesus.
right,
What do they
put it-
plan on these people doing?
Special compressor for burns.
Put it in the shop. We can use it if somebody gets hurt.
I know.
What's in that? Maybe that's what that came in?
No, this was for.
And so everybody knows what this means. There's a lid for it over there.
I don't know. I feel like the that fold up, this thing right here went in it. I don't think this is.
Oh yeah, that's probably what that's for.
Throw it.
No, we'll keep that.
It's broken.
So?
All right, on we go.
Damn it, about time.
They're moldy and they're shitty.
I like that.
Go!
Go! It always goes twice. It's never just once.
They run out of breath, they gotta restart.
Oh!
Love it.
Woo!
At least there wasn't any heavy breathing for Rodney to bitch at.
Wait, we still have that window. I tried to throw something through the window, but I forgot that it's still a window. Turn my fucking vacuum on, that's all I'm good for. sick.
Oh. It's all coming through the floor as you're doing that.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Negotiator.
When that trim panel just won't come out. That was the problem, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Bolted?
that was the problem. Ow, hold on. Okay. You're free. What is up with all these goddamn randomized?
See how far you can throw that.
It weighs as much as me. Didn't you see how much trouble I just had? Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? Memorabilia? Right?
Okay, once that's out, can we stop and flip right quick? I'm fucking tired.
You want to call this the episode?
No. Still gotta vacuum all this out too. We'll just eat real quick, take an intermission.
Like the lame.
Like the most non-flammable fucking grill fluid ever. Fire. Yeah, oh shit, that's coming after me.
Alright, that should have.
Slam it!
I don't want to.
Oh, yeah. That one always opened nicely. Oh, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Hip thrust.
That's how guys that drive BMWs close their car doors.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Okay.
Look at this sweet setup here.
He's not having as many troubles as he did earlier.
Yeah, earlier I got stuck.
Oh, yeah. Reminds me of Jackass.
Did you get that on video?
Yes.
I'll waft over that.
What are you doing, Logan?
Oh, I'm just oiling up all of our hinges and stuff. That way it'll open next time without a hammer.
Not all the doors did that.
Well, now none of them will. We're out of WD-40.
Can't have nothing nice in this shop.
Okay. I just got done vacuuming this whole thing.
I just watched.
It's still filthy inside.
Very.
It's bad.
It's not as bad though.
We found some rust, and that's not good. But the frame rail's not bent, so that is good. And we found that sweet first aid kit.
Yeah. Full on German first aid kit was badass to find. The things that they do in this car are freaking sick.
Yeah, they definitely go above and beyond.
Yeah.
And I think our rust came from the whole thing. Instead of having like the little beads of sound deadening shit to keep the panels from rattling, keep the noises from the road from coming through, they coat the whole floor pan in this. And I think that may have been part of the problem with this driver's side seat mount, is that water got under that coating because it cracked over so many years, and that water just stood there. Because it's not common for there to be rust in a floor pan in Texas unless something has sat with water saturating the carpet or something else to cause that.
Which in this thing would definitely be an issue.
It had the windows rolled down for a long time. That's for sure.
Yeah.
And some windows busted out, which surprisingly we didn't find any rust back there. And that shocked the shit out of me because those windows have been out for a while.
Anyways, we're done here tonight. Go like, share, subscribe. Go get you some merch.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a brand new shirt that we're gonna release here shortly.
Yeah, we're about to redo our merch. I don't know when this video is going to drop, but we're about to redo our whole merch store. That way we've got all current merch, new merch, and, you know, just the cool shit that you guys want to wear. It's going to be in the store.
And not be one-offs anymore like most of the shit that I wear.
Yeah, and what I wear. All of our shit is special made just for us.
Yeah. Why? Because we can.
So I think the next step on the Mercedes is probably drain the fuel, put some new fuel in it, figure out all of our vacuum issues, get it running good, get some brakes on the rear.
lines, yeah. We just need brake lines.
Oh, is that it? Okay. So get some brake lines for the back, some new gas, figure out an intake situation. That way we don't have vacuum leaking everywhere.
Let her rip, tater chip.
We could do some burnouts.
Hopefully. That'd be nice.
Oh, burnouts on 33s?
No.
33-inch mud grips, just...
I'd rather the frame hitting the ground doing a burnout.
We'll figure it out. We'll rock, paper, scissors for it.
I feel like that's what's gonna have to end up being.
Probably. Or we could flip one of the mini coins that we found in here. There's a ton more in the vacuum right now.
I feel like a little whore with you splashing that change around there.
Is that really the quality that you put out? Is that people throw coins at you?
Yes.
It's probably to make you stop then. Later, guys. Just trying to get that mustard on your mustache.
I figured I can feel it on there.
Shove that wiener in your mouth, Zach. Oh my god! You sick piece of shit!